Hey folks, MACT, and let's just say you have a Ford F-150 like my neighbors. 3.5, twin turbo, EcoBoost. Yeah, buddy, it's a great car. But yeah, it doesn't quite work well for you. So anyway, you get a remote disabled to preserve battery notice in your F-150. And it's basically it's pretty new, and this ain't a 2022 F-150 here, but hey, if we go down and look at this, it says remote features, and it says, hey, your 2022 F-150 equipped for Ford Pass trademark Connect has entered deep sleep mode to conserve battery energy. Remote features include start, stop, and lock, unlock. May be temporarily unavailable because your battery charge level is low. You can easily fix this yourself, okay, by going for a longer ride. Make sure you keep your air conditioning and accessories off during this drive to recharge your battery faster. If your vehicle doesn't start, jump start it, then take it for a drive to recharge the battery. Contact your preferred dealer for further service if needed. Oh yes, as a side note to these F-150s, they come with what they call an H6 battery, and that's probably the weakest juice you could ever get. So some folks in the F-150 forums and other groups are going up to the H7, and some are even jumping up to the H8. That's right, going to the H8, and they're having a lot better results, and they're not having discharged batteries. It's just that the capacity of the H6 just isn't up to it, and the alternator can't keep up. So bigger battery, more storage, less draw, and less percentage of battery being sucked out. So that might be your fix. But anyway, let's go on and finish this video up. Well folks, let's look at it this way. You got a 2022 F-150 and you got it 18 months. You only got 18 months on that battery. And it's telling you to turn everything off and go for a long drive. Or put the car on a battery charger. Now, this tells me one thing. And it tells me a lot. And you guys with the F-150s will probably ring a bell on this. But if you're driving it and short tripping it, that's fine. You're going to have to deal with this problem. But you lose the ability to actually use your Ford Pass system, because now you won't be able to remote start, remote unlock, all this other stuff, because the battery is below 71% threshold and it will not power everything up. Now, this also rings a bell to me in that, hey, Ford, did you just go a little bit cheap on that alternator? Now, if that alternator can't handle driving the start, stop system and the air conditioning and everything else at one time, and then the battery can't charge itself up for a run, did you put the right alternator in the car? You're demanding a lot of that alternator and a lot of that battery, but did you make sure that that alternator can charge that battery up sufficiently so we don't have this problem? So again, Ford engineers, did you do the right thing, or did you do just enough to get by? My question to Ford is that. So F-150 owners for the 2022 model years, hey, you're either going to have to learn to live with it, or maybe put a bigger alternator in, which is probably not available. But anyway, this is MACT's thoughts on the subject. So enjoy your F-150s. I don't have one, maybe someday, but I don't have one now. But my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's got some great music for you, and Mercy Girl always has something to say.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.